Hello developers. In this video, we will understand conditional statements, conditional statements in Dart, such as if statement, if else, and else if later statement. Here we have a syntax if inside if condition we check condition and then we write code inside curly bracket. Else if condition is not true, then we write code inside else blocks there. So let's get coding to understand better. So I'll jump into Android Studio. Okay, so in Android Studio, I have created one file called conditional underscore statement.dart. And here our main method is ready. Main method is ready. And here let's first understand if statement. Let's understand with the help of example. So I'm taking one variable var balance equal 5000. Okay, so here I have declared variable with the help of var keyword, and now here I'm writing condition if if balance greater than 100. Okay, then here I'm printing you can withdraw money. Okay, so let's understand here inside if block I have I have written condition. This is the condition. Balance is greater than 100, then it will print this. Okay. So let's run it, and now we can see output. You can withdraw money. Next is if else statement. Here I'll take one example. Var age equal 16. Okay. And now here let's write condition. If age greater than 18, then here let's print one statement. You are you are eligible for you are eligible for driving lessons. Okay. Else inside else block, if if this condition is not true, then it will print you are you are not eligible for DL. Okay. So let's check output. Here we know age age is less than 80, so it will print you are not eligible for driving lessons. Okay, so let's check output. Here we can see you are not eligible for DL. Last one is else if later statement. When we have more than two conditions, okay, when we have multiple conditions to check, then we should go with else if later statement. Let's understand that one also with the help of example. So here I'm declaring one variable with the help of var keyword. Var marks equal 75. Okay. Now here I'm quickly writing condition. If marks greater than 90, then I'll print grade A. Else if marks greater than 80, then print grade B. Else if marks greater than 70, then print, let's suppose, grade C. Okay. Else print failed. Okay. So here we can see we have more than two conditions. Okay, so here it will check marks. If marks greater than 90, then print grade A. If this condition is not true, then it will check this one. Marks greater than 80, then it will print grade B. Else, again it will check next condition. If marks greater than 70, then it will print grade C. Else, if this condition is not true, then it will print failed. Okay, so let's check output. Again, I will run it, and now here we can see grade C. This condition as marks greater than 70. Marks greater than 70, then it's printing grade C. Here we can see output. So that's all for this video. In next video, we will understand switch case conditional statement.